Look at this question. Whoo, Dougie, this looks like a monster, doesn't it? Well, actually, it's not. Watch out for when it says something like this. That actually means approximately, okay? So Sn is approximately, not exactly equal to this. One of the reasons why is this is probably some huge continuing on decimal. That's why they use that notation there. Okay, so let's see what this is all about. First off, you got Sn. You got T1. That's fine. You've got the ratio, which is here. Think of the formula that says Sn T1 bracket R to the n subtract 1 over R minus 1. Think of this formula because that's really quite interesting to see. Look what you've got. You've got this guy. You've got this guy. You've got the R, right? The only thing you need is n, so this is obviously the right formula to use. So here we go. Let's start plugging in the values. This is 3449.07. T1 is 29. Okay, that's fine. The ratio here is 1.07, so 1.07 to the power of n, subtract 1, okay, over the ratio 1.07, subtract 1. Oh, this isn't so bad. All we got to do now is the ugly algebra that goes with this. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Okay, so we got to find out n. This is going to be quite interesting. Let's solve this guy right here first. 1.07 minus 1, well, that's easy. That's 0.07. Bond. James Bond. Yes, there's James Bond here for you. 3449.07 equals to this mess, which is 29 times 1.07 to the power of n, subtract 1, okay, over 0.07. Okay, cross multiply. Let's do that one first. 0.07 times this. So let's bring up our calculator. So there's 3449.07. We're going to multiply this by 0.07, giving you a value of 241.4349. 241.4349. 241.4349 equals to this, 29, 1.07 to the n minus 1. Okay, now let's get rid of the 29 because that's multiplication. That's just divide by 29. So bring up the calculator, which still has our numbers in it. Just divide it by 29. Okay, so we got 8.32, oh my goodness, 8.325. Let's just leave it at that. 8.325, 8.325 now equals to, because that cancels out, to 1.07 to the power n subtract 1. Oh, this is getting easier. That's not so bad. Let's keep on going. All you have to do now is just add 1 to both sides. Okay, that cancels, leaving you 9.325 whatever, 1.07 to the power of n. Uh-oh. Now, how are you going to do this? Are you going to go and do example, test n, test 2, test 3, test 4, test... You'll be there for a dog's age trying to figure out what n is. Let me give you a suggestion. I would take this guy, 1.07 to the n. Let's make that y1. That's going to give you a weird looking graph. It's actually going to give you what we call an exponential graph that's going to go up like this. 9.325 is just going to give you a value that's constant. If we find the intersect and realize that that's our x value, or in this case our n value, we've got this solved. This will be easy to do. Okay, so let's bring up our calculator. 1.07. I'm going to make this calculator nice and big so we can really see it. Okay, there it is. Here comes our calculator. Y equals 2. Clear this stuff out of here because we need some room. 1.07 to the power of n, or in this case, x. Oh, okay, that's fine. It's going to give us, what was the value? 9.325? Okay, let's make sure that that's the same value that we had here before. That was 8.325 plus the 1, which is 9.32534. 9.23534. 9 point, oops, boy, I'm just getting clumsy here. 9 point, what was it? 325, okay? 325. 5. Let's hit graph. Let's see what we get. Oh, well, we certainly aren't going to see that. We're definitely going to have to expand this way the heck out here. Lots and lots and lots. So let's go to our window setting. Let's take our X and let's make our X max, I don't know, let's try 50. Let's see what happens. Graph it. Hey, there it is. There's our intersect. Second calc, find me the intersect, which is 5. We'll mouse it way up there so it's close. Enter, 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 and check this out. We get 32.99, which works out to be, guess what? N equals 2, 33. So that, in fact, if you think about it, this is now the sum of 33 terms. Oh my goodness, what a unique way of solving this question using your calculator.